Congratulations! You've written your first line of PHP code. Now let me walk you through each piece and explain how it all works. Blocks of PHP code start with an opening angled bracket, a question mark, and the letters PHP. They end with another question mark and a closing angled bracket. Inside a PHP file, anything between those tags will get treated as PHP code. PHP code consists of instructions or commands that get executed. I use the PHP command echo, which displays a string of text on the screen. The command takes a parameter, the piece of text you want to display. That text is wrapped in quotation marks. To indicate that a PHP command has ended, you use a semicolon. If we wanted to include other commands in this block of code, they would come after the semicolon, and each of them would also end with a semicolon. You won't be able to run this PHP code on your computer quite yet, but we'll take care of that soon. My computer is set up to handle PHP already, so I can open this PHP file in my browser. I can see the name of our website echoed out to my screen. Now that you know what a block of PHP code looks like, I think you're ready for a short quiz.